So we are here in our chart, and now I'm gonna trade using this trading indicator called Gainsalgo V2 Alpha. Gainsalgo V2 Alpha. So I'm gonna add this to our chart, and let's see how this trading indicator works. So I'm gonna wait if it is a buy or a sell signal from this indicator. There you go guys, as you can see, Gainsalgo V2 Alpha told us to sell, so let's put a position here. Let's sell 2,500. 2,500. And let's wait for the results.